Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in today's video I'll show you this beautiful, simple, glowy, easy look, purple light, gold shimmery light look, summery look, easy for you to do it, easy and wearable for everywhere and any time of the day. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows with my eyebrow styler 11 medium brown, and then I have sculpted them up with my NYX Bear With Me concealer serum, and now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friends, I will do for you a very simple, easy and glowy look. So I'm gonna wear only my glitter padding Science Beauty highlighter golden rose with this, and I'm gonna take it with my middle finger, a very nice cream highlighter, although you can use a liquid highlighter, and I'm gonna apply it directly onto my lid. It is very simple, very easy, very summery, very glowy look, not heavy for you. I'm applying all this very nice glowy illuminating highlighter. Very nice, I love this. And on the other eye I'm gonna do the same. This is one of my favorite highlighters because it is something between rose and gold, and especially if you are tanned as I am in the summer, it matches to your tones very nice. And of course I apply it with my middle finger. It's not easy for you to apply it. I'm gonna take that brush and applying a little, smudging the edges of the highlighter, soften the edges a little. Beautiful. Any highlighter, any color you have, unless don't prefer the very white because it's gonna have a flashback. Prefer the rose gold, the gold color, they're more nicely on the camera. And of course, one tip is that I am gonna take this light purple shadow, which I'm gonna apply only softly onto the crease, to give much more depth on this look. Very beautiful this type. It is easy for you to do it. Of course, taking my Wet n Wild highlighting powder Blossom Glow, which is an iced pink highlighter, powder highlighter, and my eyebrow 103, and applying some of that under the brow bone area. As you see, this look is very nice, simple, glowy, with only your highlighter and a crease color. Just a few coffee, this is my new bottle. It's like a watermelon, like it has red, white and drops, black drops. It reminds me the watermelon. Give some coffee while I'm working, I need that. And now, excuse me, the mirror is gone. And now I'm going to wear my false lash. On this look, I will not wear an eyeliner as I always do because I want it more simple. So I'm gonna wear my false lashes, which are they? They're on the inner corner shorter, on the outer corner bigger, coming gap after I have wear my lashes. My eyes are ready. As you see, they are very simple. Only my highlighter, one crease color and my false lashes. And now I'm going to continue with my other makeup on my skin. In this look, I will wear my Eveline serum with hyaluronic acid. This is my new serum by Eveline, which I use it in my skincare routine morning and evening, but now I'm gonna use it as my primer. As you see, I put some drops onto my hand, I warm my hand and tapping up all the product onto the face and onto the neck. It is a tip for you sometimes when you feel that your skin is dry, or in a heavy winter or in a heavy summer as we have here, much more sun, you can apply your Hydra serum salt hyaluronic acid and then your moisturizing. So I'm gonna use it as a primer. And of course, continue with my L'Oreal Infallible 32 Hours Fresh Wear SPF Vitamin C, which is my foundation for today. I'm gonna apply it with my kabuki brush and then I'm gonna wear it with my wet beauty blender. I'm gonna continue with my serum, NYX Bear With Me, which is my concealer, and I'm gonna apply some of that on the inner part of the lid, on the outer corner, of course. Dots on the nose, 2 lines and a mini lift near the mouth, and some product on the chin area and on the mustache area. And I'm gonna apply that always with my wet beauty blender. Of course, continue with my Monrev Brown Skin Tan Effect Cream, which is my liquid contouring bronzer, applying on the forehead, on the cheekbones, on the lips, and on the jawline, and on the nose, and applying it with this kabuki brush, and continuing with wet beauty blender, anything it is more convenient for you. Of course, continue with my Tinted Cheeks Monrev Liquid Blusher, which is a very nice liquid blush, and with this fluffy big brush I'm applying the product directly onto the cheeks and starting to apply it with that fluffy big brush. And onto the nose, some of that. Taking my Stellar Monrev Liquid Highlighter, and this I'm gonna apply it directly over the cheekbones, over the blush. And I'm gonna apply it either with my fingers, either with my beauty blender, anything that is more easy for you. We need in this look a makeup look which is soft and glowy, especially for now we are in the summer. Just a few coffee while I work. Now I'm ready with my transparent loose powder and my wet beauty blender to set up the face. I'm applying some product to set up the under eye area. Of course, continuing with my MUA Bronze Perfection, applying over the cheekbones, over the liquid bronzer, because I have told you many times that when we use liquid products, we have to continue with powdered products, unless use only liquid. Taking my Scanlon Deep Pink blush onto the cheeks, onto the nose, I give some more touch of blush because I want to have this more pink on my cheek. My Wet n Wild highlighting powder over the cheekbone, the nose, the cupid bow, the temple. And I'm gonna end up with my, first I'm gonna use my infallible 24 hours foundation and powder with this. I'm gonna set up the whole face with this powder. And now I'm taking the color, this palette and this light purple color that I have used in my crease, that to apply some on the bottom eyes. And I'm gonna apply some mascara on the bottom eye. Don't apply matte, one coat is enough. We want a simple and easy and soft look. It's enough. And now I'm going, just a few blush. And now I'm ending up with my lips. Light purple color. Light purple lip liner. Very nice Sabrina Rudnick shimmery purple lipstick with this beautiful lipstick. And over that, my golden rose Miss Beauty Diamond Shine 3D lip gloss. A very nice 3D lip gloss. Beautiful combination. Onto the lips. My friends, this is my complete finished look. It is a very nice light gold shimmery purple light glowy look for you. It is my recommendation for you for a simple glowy look, especially now in the summer. It is wearable in all the day. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!